In an Ohio courtroom, silence falls as a man walks forward for the seventh time. 7 OVIs, 7 chances. And today, the judge has finally run out of patience. This is the story of Eric Cox, a man battling addiction, mental health, and the consequences of one decision too many. Cut to the prosecutor. Firm voice. Narrator. The state wastes no time. Prosecutor. Your Honor, the state is asking for prison. This is Mr. Cox's 7th OVI, and he committed this offense while already suspended from a previous one. He has shown no regard for the law, and today we ask for a lifetime driver's license suspension. Narrator. For the first time, the courtroom feels the weight of the number 7. 7 times he risked not just his own life, but the lives of everyone on the road. Narrator. Probation follows next. Their recommendation is blunt. Probation officer. We recommend prison with the possibility of judicial release. Narrator. Even they know the danger. Even they see the pattern. Cut to defense attorney. Calm, but desperate. Defense attorney. Judge, we know punishment is coming, but if he has any choice, he asks for the Department of Corrections, because that's the only place he can continue his bipolar medication, lithium. Narrator. And then the courtroom hears something unexpected. Defense attorney. For 25 years, he was misdiagnosed, treated for depression with medication that actually worsened an undiagnosed bipolar disorder. Only in June did doctors discover the real condition. Narrator, somber. For 25 years, Eric's brain had been fighting itself, and nobody knew why. Defense attorney. The manic episodes, the risky behavior, the impulse to drive when he shouldn't. This diagnosis explains all of it. And now, for the first time, he's finally being treated the right way. Narrator. The attorney isn't asking for mercy. He's asking for hope. Camera on Eric, voice shaky, hands trembling. Narrator. Eric Cox stands. The room is silent. Eric. I'm sorry. I know I deserve punishment. I've been told before that I got light sentences. And honestly, I agreed. I know you're going to be harsher today. And I accept that. He pauses. Eric, this isn't who I want to be. I don't want to hurt anyone. I don't want to be that person. And now I finally understand what's been wrong with me. And I'm ready to fix it. Narrator. It's the first time he admits it. He knows he could have killed someone. And he knows he can't keep pretending it won't happen again. Scene 5. The judge speaks. 5:10 to 7:20. Judge leans forward, voice steady but heavy. Judge. Mr. Cox, I understand the mental health component, but this is your 7th OVI. You were already on probation. Your alcohol level was more than double the legal limit. Narrator. The judge takes a breath, the kind judges take when the next words will change someone's life. Judge. Every time, every single time, you receive the minimum penalty. But today, that stops. Eric looks down. Judge. I appreciate your honesty. I appreciate that you're accepting responsibility. But my job is to make sure this never happens again. Not to you, and not to an innocent person on the road. Narrator. Then the judge says the words everyone knew were coming, but still hits like a hammer. Judge. I sentence you to 24 months in prison. You will receive 13 days of jail credit. Your driver's license is suspended for life. Narrator. Dramatic pause. Life. A word heavier than any prison door. Judge. You will serve at least 120 days. But after that, I will consider judicial release if you prove you've changed. Outro. 7:20 to 8 o'clock. Narrator. The deputy steps forward. Eric Cox nods and allows the cuffs to close around his wrists. No outbursts. No excuses. Just acceptance. Because today wasn't just a sentence. It was a warning, a consequence, a final chance, and maybe, just maybe, the beginning of a man finally taking control of a life that had been out of control for far too long. Fade to black.